Alright guys, so this was the whole look. I tried everything that I could. I did contouring, I did the smoky eye. I never do my brows, so that's not needed. I did my lip contouring and overlining and whatever that we do. Blush, mascara, which I usually skip. Um, Concealer, everything. I finished the whole look. Just the setting spray is pending, which I'm not going to do because it is super hot and I'm going to go and wash off my face right now because staying home we really don't need makeup, right? I didn't line my eyes because that was not needed for this particular look, but other than that, I think I finished quite well. So I do remember the whole full glam makeup. I am not that bad. I feel so. All right. All right. I needed a better lighting. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Looking forward for more. Um, I hope I do better makeup next time. But this weather and this current situation is not going too well for some really nice makeup looks. But I promise you, I will be posting frequent videos from now on. I'm not sure how frequent, but yeah, I really mean it. And I'll see you guys in my next video real soon. Bye.